Hello everyone, my name is Samar Subhash Kadam. The courses of Linux which I have completed are Great Learning, that is Linux tutorial, Simple Learn, that is Introduction to Kali Linux, and Allison, that is Linux file system. I have completed these three courses of Linux, and what I understand about Linux from these three courses is Linux is a operating system. Linux is open source. Linux based operating system provides us an interface to use specific programs with help of the hardware. Linux was a Unix-based kernel developed by Linus Torvald in 1991. He was driven by the lack of open source. Unix-based Unix-based system that people could use. Benefits of using Linux are Linux is open source. Second one is Linux is highly flexible. Third is Linux is lightweight. Linux is highly configurable. Linux is fair malware. Linux is awesome for development. It becomes a complete operating system of the that flavor. The basic concept of Linux are kernel, shell, file system, package manager, users, and processor, etc. Also, I understand how to install VirtualBox in our laptop or computer. Now, what is Kali Linux? So, Kali Linux is a free open source Linux distribution that's used for penetration testing and security auditing. Kali Linux is a Debian Linux distribution primarily used for penetration testing, cybersecurity research, and ethical hacking. It comes pre-installed with a wide range of network analysis of security tools for tasks like vulnerability scanning and exploitations developed and maintained by offensive security. Kali Linux is widely regarded as one of the most powerful tools for cybersecurity professionals due to its extensive toolset and supports various platforms, making it popular for security experts and enthusiasts. Also, I learned that the Oracle VirtualBox is a platform that allows users to run multiple operating system on the same device. File system is a logical collection of files and partition of disk. Partition is a container for information and can span on entire hard drive if desired. The right control key is used to release the mouse from the installation screen on Windows. The installation program that CentOS operating system uses is known as Anaconda. VDI is the recommended hard disk file type to use when creating your first Oracle virtual machine. The options that fall under the system tab in Linux Center operating system 8 are KDUMP option. Second one is security policy option and network and host management option and installation destination option. Also, depending on the size of your file system and the depth of your search, the find command can sometimes take a long time to scan all of the dates. The find command has a number of options and is very configurable of options and is very configurable. There are many ways to reduce the depth and breadth of your search and make it more efficient. To modify users password or your own password in Linux, use the command PASSWD is the command used for modify users password or your own password in Linux. The Unix operating system was created by a group of researchers, AT and Tisbale laboratories. The bridge adapter allows communication between your computer and the virtual machine, and it allows communication with the internet. The PuTTY terminal is used to connect to the Linux machine, and the operating system stores data of disk drives using a structure called file system, which consists of files, directories, and the information needed to access and locate them. Uh, Linux file systems store information in hierarchy of directories and files. An absolute path absolute path always begins with slash. This indicates that the path starts at the root directory. Relative path does not begin with slash. It indicates a location relative to your current position.